VMworld 2019 in San Francisco, and we're visiting with Vembu. Can you tell me a little bit about the company and what you're showing here at VMworld?
Hi to all the VMblog viewers. So myself Nagarajan, I'm VP the product management at Vembu Technologies. So we provide a backup and disaster recovery solution since 2002. So we've been offering backup for virtual, physical and cloud machines. So we support VMware, Hyper-V and the Windows, Linux, Mac machines, also for SaaS applications like G Suite and the Office 365.
And how do you fit into the VMware ecosystem?
Yeah, I mean, so we've been a long-term VMware Technology Alliance partner with them, and we offer agentless backup solution for ESXi host and the vCenter server. So we integrate with vStorage APIs and the VDDK. So without installing any agent, we offer the backup solution and as well as the disaster recovery solution where the VM can be replicated from host to host for the high availability purpose. And
so I understand you have some new product announcements and stuff around the show. Can you maybe tell us what those were?
Sure. See, we've been attending VMworld for six years in a row. So we've been making new announcements in every VMworld. So this time, so the exciting announcement for the users is like we are going to offer a free edition up to 10 virtual machines. So far, Vembu was the only company offer full feature free edition for 3 virtual machines. So we are going to increase it to 10 virtual machines. So any small businesses having up to 10 virtual machines, you can just download the software and you can use full feature free version right away. And after 10 VMs, it will be a limited version, but again, still Vembu allow you to backup unlimited virtual machine with our free edition. So that is our major announcement for the VMworld. And then the next one, see, last year I told that we are moving towards the story snapshot backup for the major hardware vendor. So we came up with the public beta right now for NetApp. So those who are using NetApp storage for the VMware data stores, so you can leverage NetApp snapshot rather than the VM snapshot to back up the virtual machine. So we released a public beta. Those who are interested in testing, you can just talk to our people to get the download location. So you can test and you can see the difference between using the VM snapshot and the storage snapshot. And again, so we already partnered with other major hardware vendors. So you will be able to see all those storage snapshot for all the major hardware coming in upcoming years. So these 2 major announcements from Vembu to the Vembu users as well as the other those who are trying to switch from other backup vendor to Vembu.
And we've been talking to some of the people here at VMworld and asking, where do you see the future going over the next 6 to 12 months? What would you say to that?
Sure. So being this industry in the backup disaster recovery, this over 10 years, so I can see more data centers are moving towards hybrid. Okay, so say the small businesses moving completely their VMware infrastructure to Amazon. So right now VMware announced Azure collaboration. So it's like they are moving their data center to cloud. And more enterprise, they keep a few on the on-prem as well as the cloud. So here, as a backup software vendor, we see it's an opportunity for us to come up with a backup solution which works on-prem, cloud, any cloud, and the data mobility. So that is what I'm seeing. So people moving data from on-prem to cloud, cloud to on-prem. So it's kind of a data mobility happening across on-prem and cloud. So that is what I'm seeing happening around all the data centers. So as a backup software company, we think solving that problem will be the next major thing for the backup software company. So that is what I'm thinking, the challenge in next 6 to 12 months.
Great. And lastly, could we possibly see a demo of the product?
Sure. So my colleague Manikam, so he's heading he's a technical manager taking care of VM development at Vembu. So he's going to show you the demo.
So what are you going to show us?
Yeah, I'm Manikam. As Nagarajan said, I'm Manikam from Vembu Technologies. I'm a technical manager there. And now I'm just going to show the BDR Suite product demo. And this is the new super cool UI what Vembu is offering in their next upcoming release. And actually here you can just see the infrastructure in which you can just add the virtual servers as well as the storage arrays as well as the Windows image servers. So you can just add everything together and you can just protect everything by configuring a backup of the servers. So here we can just go with the backup of VMware. So this is all about. You can just select host level and you can just unselect a particular VM, and as well as you can just select multiple hosts together. And we're just providing a guest processing things like we're just giving a application aware processing, and as well as in our upcoming release we are just giving a file exclusion thing in which you can just exclude a single file, a particular file from your virtual machines. So that is super cool in your upcoming release. And you can just go with, you have to select credentials for the machines, and we're just offering the scheduling, which is actually every 15 minutes is the minimum. You can just do that. And we have the additional full backups, which is doing additional full backup for your environment. And then we are just offering retention policies, which is actually the basic retention, which will just keep based on the number, and the advanced retention is most likely a grandfather, father, son kind of stuff. And we are just offering the encryption, which is actually based on the user password protected backups, and as well our file system is storing the data in an encrypted manner as well.
It's okay, I'm going to recycle, turn the power on, sit there and wait until the uptake gets low. And that's loss production.
And this is all about. And you can just give a schedule name here to configure the backup.
These various versions of Windows last, how long will they be supported? So if you're an IT,
And you can just have run the job immediately after saving the backup.
figure out when do
That's
we,
it.
when do we start
That's
shipping
pretty easy.
devices in and out? When do my devices actually have their end of life? When do I have to do a
And as I already told, the virtual servers as well as you can just go with we're just supporting NetApp right now. We're just integrating with the storage vendors to support the storage snapshot backups. Right now we have already integrated with NetApp, which is going to be released in the upcoming major release of Vembu BDR Suite. So here you can just see the storage arrays which we are going to support in the near future. So this is how it is. And as well, as I already told, you can just protect your Hyper-V servers and the endpoints as well.
and again, by the way,
That's all about.
Awesome.